Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make halftones in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. So open up Photoshop and place your image right in there. Command J and duplicate your image. Make sure it's a smart object. If it's not, you just have to right click and convert to smart object up here. Then go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. Right, so if you want your image to be in black and white, all you gotta do is make sure these channels are on 0, and this will be the size of your halftone dots. So you gotta try out different numbers and see what works best with your image. So press OK. And as you see, this is pretty cool. You can then try and change the blending mode to something like color burn or multiplier or whatever works best for your image. As you can see, this makes it look kind of cartoonish. But anyways, it's really cool effect. Look at this one. Another cool thing is you can turn everything black and white by adding a black and white filter right there. And this is the effect. I really like this. It's so easy and so fast to make. And now you're gonna see why we made this into a smart object. That's because when you apply a filter, it's gonna go right over here and you just have to double click on it to bring these settings back up. And you can really easily change the settings. So maybe we want the circles to be bigger, and it's that easy. So double click on it again. Let's say I want the circles on 10 pixels and I want a little bit of color in there. So I'm gonna add maybe 30 to my first channel and press OK. And look at this. We get this weird offset look. Now we have the black and white color filter on top. So that's why it's black and white. But if I click here, you're gonna see the color of it, which is pretty cool. You see it's kind of red and blue, and where the red and blues intersect, it's black. And that's basically it. It's really easy and really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.